Oh, aye. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, there's a wee bit of a wind today.
My eyes are watering. Focus. Hello. Oh. Fucking keep that straight. Watery eyes. Oh.
Look at that noise.
Views for days. Day 11 up the top.
Aye.
This is the most consecutive days I've done it.
Day 11 for Lucky Boy.
Ever. So,
11 out of
I want to
30.
say that I'm running tubeless now. Hopefully see you Saturday morning.
Can't actually see the day.
Ready, Tish? Ready, lads.
Every time! Oh, doggy. Woo.
That was fun. That was fun.
Jesus. That's rough here.
That was fun.
Oh. experience gives me the fear. Bad wire. Ah! The seat just went up my arse. Ah! Nah, I hit my dropper too soon. I was just tired. I got to that first double and I was like, I'm tired. It was just for putting the cranks in for trying to hit that flat first one because I didn't know how much I needed. So possibly none of this is recorded today. Thought I'd hit this one on the way back in. Why not? Whoa, but hit that tree though. I need another run there. Oh, slide the other day. So, may have just found an old double. Since I got that first one, nearly hit the tree, do it again, and then hit that what looks to be an old double. So the tree's like a wee goalpost, hey? Already lost sight of that double, so and I didn't really know where I'm going to end up after hitting it. So this could be fun. Where it is now. What speed? In here. Good. Look at that. So I thought I was talking about my shoes. Turns out it wasn't even recording, and then I crashed into a bin. Why is that a wee hump there? Some of this mud off my tyres.